hey guys, all of a sudden now we have to start logging everything we clean every time we clean it. It's a whole lot easier just getting them used to it ahead of time than trying to get them to do it after the fact. They weren't happy about it just as much as I was, but they're grinning and bearing it and making it happen. But just something to think about, and don't be scared to talk to these people. They want to help you, especially your Department of Ag people. They're really really great resources. They want to give you the information. They want to set you up to be successful. Same with the health department. Even if they come in and do an inspection, if it's their first one, they're not expecting you to be perfect. They know there's going to be things that are going to be wrong that you're not thinking about. In fact, if anything, you should be encouraging the fact that they're coming, because you're going to learn something, about what you can do better to be, safer and cleaner and all that good stuff. So don't be scared of it. Just allow it to happen and kind of do its thing, and then that way you can make sure your organization is running better than you even thought it could. So
awesome. Yeah, keep that in mind. The government will at some point come knock on your door if you get big enough. But yeah, get a good relationship with them ahead of time is a great point, Andy. Make sure they know who you are and you know who they are, and start the relationship early as possible is key.
Yeah, and oftentimes they'll help you with grant opportunities as well. I know our local Department of Ag lady.